1993 Ford SVT Lightning, 16,000 miles. Let's take it for a test drive. This is a super clean first generation Lightning. It is the first year of the SVT Lightning, so it is a 1993 Ford SVT Lightning. And if you're not familiar with the Lightning setup, it is a performance-built kind of sport truck that they had back in the day in 93, 94, 95. And then they discontinued it for a while, changed the body style, and then came back out with it in the late 1990s. But this again is a first generation Lightning, the first year. It is a 16,094.7 as of this video mile Lightning. It is a clean Carfax, no accidents or damage ever reported, and it is super nice front to back, inside and out, top to bottom. Clean Carfax, Marti report, window sticker, SVT paperwork, owner's manual, the little card that comes in the owner's manual. All of that stuff goes with the truck. You'll see a photo of that in the additional information tab on the website, pcclassiccars.com. Like all of the first generation Lightnings, it has the 351 Windsor. This one retains its original numbers matching motor, and it is bone stock. In 93, they're rated at 240 horse and 340 foot-pounds of torque. So not a crazy high horsepower setup, but they definitely run really well for what they are. E40D overdrive automatic transmission. That is the standard transmission that all of these came with. It was the only one available. Same thing with the motor. It was all 351 Windsors and all that same overdrive automatic transmission. Power steering, power disc brakes, full factory exhaust from the front all the way to the back with the side exit dual tips behind the rear tire over there on the passenger side. And as you can see, and as you would expect a 16,000 mile pickup, it drives like brand new. The AC has been converted to R134A and it blows nice and cold. Again, zero complaints mechanically, something that is basically collector grade. The truck has a couple tiny little touch-ups that we'll talk about cosmetically, but it's gonna happen for something that's this age. And you do have a few miles, obviously being 16,000, but it is, again, collector grade for a 16,000 mile truck. On the interior, code PJ4, which is your Lightning standard interior. This one is a center console truck. They do have an optional jump seat that you could have got available with these trucks, but this one is the center console. The interior is mint. It is super nice. The headliner, the visors, the dash itself, door panels, seat covers, carpet mats, everything is like new. Nothing to complain about on the inside. Steering wheel doesn't have any wear items on the top of it. Gauges are all easy to read and function like they should. You do have your dual tank switch over here on the left, front and rear tank. Factory stereo works, comes on. So everything on the inside of this truck works. Gauges, lights, horn, the wipers, radio, heat and AC. I have absolutely everything listed as a yes on this one. Make sure you check out the additional informations tab on the website, pcclassiccars.com, which will outline what works and what doesn't. But again, everything on this one works. We're warmed up, so we'll go ahead and test out that Windsor motor. Smooth, easy power. Nice positive shifts from that overdrive transmission. We'll go ahead and we're going to turn the cruise on. We'll set the cruise. Works like it should. You have your factory speedo and your tack. You have your little overdrive button if you want to kick it out of overdrive. Kick it back on. Underneath is super clean. Inner rockers, frame, floors, bottom side of the bed. Zero complaints of any kind. It really represents like a super low mileage truck should. On the exterior, it's code EP, which is the bright red paint. It is original paint. Paint shows very nice. A couple small little nicks and little touch-ups. It's all extremely minimal stuff. In that additional informations tab, again on the website, pcclassiccars.com, you will see photos of, again, the very small little imperfections. Factory Lightning wheels, tires have been replaced, but I do have the originals that go with it. The date code for the front two is 2022, and the date code for the rear is 2021. I do believe that they were all put on at the same time, just manufacturing dates are a little different there. Tires are awesome, no dry rot, no cracking, no hard spots. The gentleman that I bought it from put the tires on it when he bought the truck a number of years ago. Those original tires are photoed and will go with the truck if the next owner would like to have them. Inside the bed, doesn't look like anything's ever been back there. Shows like new. Both doors open and close properly. The tailgate opens and closes properly. Same thing with the hood. Suspension is going to be all factory SVT Lightning suspension. No shakes, no pulls. Doesn't have any weird sounds coming from the steering or the suspension. No pulls left or right. The steering wheel is straight when you are going straight. Obviously, this is kind of a curved road, so steering wheel's off-centered just a little bit right now, but going down a straight road, the steering wheel's nice and true. It stops very true as well. Again, it's not going either direction. No weird feels coming through the brake pedal when you hit the brakes harder. Downshifts like you should when you get in the throttle. The exhaust sounds good. They're not terribly loud trucks. You really hear more motor than you do exhaust. I've had tons of these Lightnings that have had aftermarket flow masters put on them and they sound killer. But this truck being collector grade and so low miles and so original, this is the one that I would leave the factory original exhaust on, but to each their own for the next owner. You have your standard options. Again, you have cruise and you have tilt, power windows, power locks. All of that functions properly. One thing I forgot to mention, on the outside of that passenger side mirror on the plastic, there's a couple little scuffs in that rear, or in the outside portion of the mirror, just really minuscule stuff there. Vent windows don't have any weird sounds, no wind noise coming through the vent windows. Glass is all in great condition. Front and rear look awesome. Side windows roll up and down like they should with no issues. Couple very small little road imperfections in the windshield, but no stone chips or no spider cracking or no splits of any kind. Rear view mirrors super easy to see out of. One other thing I forgot to mention is all the plastics on the inside here look like they came from the factory. These are very notorious for the plastics getting cracked up, the dashes to get splits on them. This has none of those problems. Roll into it here again. These trucks are so fun to drive. I love buying, selling, and trading these trucks. I try to keep them when I can get them. I actually have a modified one as well right now. I have a supercharged black first generation Lightning, which I love the modified ones, but I also really like the stock ones. This truck being unmessed with is just killer. Great paperwork, drives like brand new. We're 16,100 miles as of this video now. Put a few miles on it, but it's super low miles. Engine bay represents like a stock truck should. Nothing is out of place. Did verify it is the numbers matching motor, original motor for the truck. You'll see photos of that again in the additional informations tab, but it's all super clean, very sanitary in the engine compartment. It has been a well cared for and a loved truck since brand new. Just a joy to drive this pickup. As always, I'm Mike. This is a 1993 Ford SVT Lightning with 16,101 miles. From myself and everybody else here at PC Classic Cars, we always appreciate y'all stopping in to watch another one of our test drive videos. Make sure you check out that additional informations tab on the website pcclassiccars.com. Check out the content across all of the social platforms. Catch you guys on the next video. Thanks again for watching.
Yeah.